Here. So this button sew it. You have to add the so this will go. Just one loop, but then over here you go to 2 loops. So we're going into 1 loop only, and then 2 loops, both loops at the back. It's hard to see, but your zipper there'll be an edge. You see this edge? So your zipper will fall down into the back.
เป็นอาคารแบบชั้นเดียวบริเวณด้านหน้าถัดจาก
Let's see. So we're gonna try to make a triangle and here. And slip stitch here. And then go across. So I make a decrease here. Single crochet. Now we'll start. slip stitch my way up until here. Now I'm just going to slip stitch this two together. We're going to make it bigger. It's dropped.